I created a fun Halloween scene for you. So when you're listening to me read the Dracula voice, picture me like this. And then I'm going to come back and record it a second time where I'm only doing the Dracula voice so that you can act opposite me. Okay, enjoy. Hey, let's record a Halloween scene, shall we? We're going to get a little help from our AI bestie, ChatGPT. I know some of you are against it, but you know what? Come on, it's what time? It's 8:11 in the morning. I need a little help. Let's head over to my computer. Ignore the messy desk. Okay, we're straight up zooming it because the fact that my StreamYard is busy doing something else. Okay, let's share my screen and we're gonna go to our friend ChatGPT. So many, yes, verify I'm human. Okay, here we go. What can I help you with today? So please write a two-person scene where a teenager meets Dracula for the first time and discusses the meaning of life, and the teen teaches Dracula some I don't know, what do you want to teach him? You want to teach, or her, it could be, Dracula could be a woman or girl or teen, because, you know, once we did a show called Draculina's Haunted Birthday Bash for Theater Creators Kids. It was really popular. We've done it a couple times, actually. Okay, Dracula teaches Dracula some current slang for the year 2024. And what else? It has a clear... See, I'm going to put it... I talked to you a lot about breaking down your scenes, and we want to know the relationship, we want to know the characters, we want to know who are you, where are you, what are you doing. It's got to have a clear beginning, middle, and end. It has to be clear how you feel in each of those sections. You're striving for a certain objective, and you are also going through different ways of how are you trying to affect the other person with your words, your actions, what you're doing to get your objective. So what is the main objective? I don't know. Let's have our friend tell us, okay? Here we go. And has a clear objective for the teen who is the main character. It is clear how these two end up friends by the end, as opposed to the start where the teen was afraid of Dracula. Give us some humor and a plot twist at the end. At the end where Dracula says you forgot to say trick or treat. I don't know, it sounds fun. Forgot to say trick or treat, and gives the teen candy, who then leaves at the end. Let's see. I think that'll be fun. Okay. All right, let's read this. Let's read our little scene here, shall we? Okay. We're going to read our scene that we just got. A dark, spooky mansion. The room is dimly lit with flickering candles, casting long shadows on walls. The teenager Jaden, 16 years old, cautiously steps inside, holding their phone with a flashlight app, nervously glancing around. Jaden wears a hoodie and sneakers. In the shadows, we see the figure of Dracula, ageless, timeless, regal, and mysterious, standing still as a statue. Jaden whispering to self. So this will be you. You'll play Jaden, okay? You say, I'll read it this time, but then I'll have to record it a second time where I'm actually made up as Dracula so you can act opposite me. That's what I'll do. Okay. You say, okay, Jaden, in and out. Just knock on the door and leave. No biggie, glancing at Dracula's silhouette, unless he actually bites. Dracula in a deep and booming voice. Why do you trespass, mortal? Do you seek the mysteries of the night, or perhaps something else? Jaden, dropping phone and stumbling back. Yo, chill. I didn't mean to. I was just doing this as a dare, for Halloween. I thought this place was abandoned. Dracula steps forward, eyes glowing red. Dare. Halloween. Do you mock me with these words? In my time, mortals didn't take such risks lightly. In fact, I need to talk more Dracula-ish, right? Okay, I'm going to change my voice a little bit in a second. Jaden, I just noticed you can see my chihuahua back there sleeping. That's a chihuahua. Okay, Jaden, raising hands nervously. No, it's just a thing we do, for fun. People dress up like you all the time, dude. Oh, so is Jaden dressed up like Dracula? I don't know, maybe you're Dracula too. Frowns confused. Oh. Let me drink. Okay, here is my Dracula voice. They dress up like me for fun? How absurd. I am not to be mocked. I am Dracula, the Lord of the Night. Pauses, sees Jaden's scared face, softens. Although times do change, don't they? Jaden steps back, but still anxious. Yeah, totally. I mean, no offense, but you don't exactly scream scary anymore. Like, I get it, the cape is dope and all, but people now just say mood and slay for everything. Mood, slay, what do these words mean? Are they incantations? Not even close, dude. Okay, let me break it down. So when something's a mood, it's like, it's relatable, Like if you're all brooding in the dark castle, I'd be like, that's mood. It's like, yeah, I feel that vibe. Brooding in the dark is a mood? Fascinating. And slay, this is a command to destroy my enemies? Not exactly. Slay is more like when someone does something really awesome, you say, wow, you slay, like if you killed it, but not literally. So you say slay too. Slay is to excel, to conquer through prowess and charm. Intriguing. I have been known to slay, though I must say the connotation has changed over the centuries. Loosening up, smiling. Exactly. You're getting the hang of it. And dude, you'd totally slay in social media if you posted some of those vibes like eternal mood. Eternal mood. Oh, eternal mood. Social media. Is this another form of dark sorcery? Jaden nods eagerly. Kind of. It's like a way to connect with people and share your life. You'd be like a viral legend. Trust me, you'd be trending for days. You jest, a legend. Yes, viral. I am already quite immune to mortal plagues, thank you. Giggling. No, dude, it's not like that. Being viral just means people can't stop talking about you. Like, imagine Dracula memes. Epic. You'd slay the internet. Amused, now curious. Perhaps there is something to your strange mortal world after all. But tell me, young one, what brings you to my domain? Surely not just to teach me these new spells of language. Jaden looking sheepish. Well, I was dared to come here. I didn't think you were real, but now that you're right here, I guess I got curious. Like, what's the meaning of life to someone like you? I mean, you've been alive like forever. What's it all about? Hold on a second. What's it all about? What's it all about? Dracula pauses, pondering deeply. The meaning of life, sighs. It's not so different from your world, I suppose. Power, survival, beauty, but over time it becomes less about what you take and more about the moments you experience, the connections you make. Eternal life, long one. Eternal life, young one, is lonely without companionship, without friends. Jaden smiling softly. That's kind of deep and totally unexpected. So you're lonely? Dracula, perhaps, but fear not. I have weathered centuries of solitude. It is my fate. Jaden, well, if you'd ever need someone to explain more slang, help you slay your social media, hit me up. I'd be down to hang. you would willingly spend time with me? Yeah, why not? You're kind of cool for an ancient vampire and all, plus you've got vibes, eternal ones. But before you leave, young Jaden, there is one last thing you forgot. Wait, what did I forget? You forgot to say trick or treat. No way, you're giving me candy? Indeed, even vampires know the customs of All Hallows Eve. Take it. It is a token of our newfound friendship. Taking the candy, Smiley. All right, Dracula, you're actually awesome. Catch you later. And slay, dude. Slay indeed. Farewell, young one. Heading towards the door, glancing back. Later, Drac. Hashtag eternal mood. Jaden exits. Dracula watches the team go. A small, satisfied smile in his face. The door creaks shut, and the scene fades to black. This is totally cool. Okay, my friends. Wait, hold on. This is stuck. My little gadget was stuck. Okay, my friends, that was really fun to create that scene for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post this, and below in probably the first comment, because I think the description can't be this long, but the comments can. I will post the entire scene for you so that you can act this out with your friends. And then I'll make a second one that will probably end up here on this channel where I just play Dracula for you so that you can act opposite me. And I'll set it so that it is available for you to remix. Okay, have fun with this.